I do not want to waste your time. So if you're asking the question, why did Tesla stock go up today? And it's because Wedbush upgraded the price target from $500 a share to $560. This is following last week when we saw an aggressive push, not just because of its addition to the S&P 500, which will take place on December 21st, 2020, but also because Morgan Stanley upgraded its price target up to $540 a share. So why is Tesla going up today? Simply because an institution upgraded its price target to a higher trading price than what it was previously at. When we broke above a significant resistance level, which in my opinion was right around 505, 508, as soon as the market opened, it was like, indicating signs of a resistance at 505, 508 based off of previous trading prices. You guys can look at the 5-day, 5-minute chart for Tesla. And you can see that it previously got rejected around 508, but it showed a lot of indication of a resistance right around 500 to 505. Once we broke above that, it has not pulled back. It has not sold off. It, of course, has pulled back. It's still trading in between the middle and top VWAP. I had a total of 170 shares, if I'm not mistaken, and I began to sell off my shares during the Learn Plan Profit live trading session. As of right now, I am up nearly $4,000 on the day. I decided to buy a couple more shares, and I will continue to buy more Tesla as long as it continues this overall pattern of showing higher highs and higher lows. What would change this, right? So if you're asking the question, is it still time to buy Tesla? One of the things that you have to understand is it's gapped up so much. So can it pull back? Can it sell off? 100%. And this is why it's so important that you have to have a plan. I'm not going to be like one of those to the moon people or to the Mars people. I want you to have a plan. As of right now, if you're not already invested in Tesla, I don't want to say you're late to the party, but I just want to show you something. On the 180-day chart, I want you to take this into consideration that previous resistance levels is around 540. It looks like we're making our way there, right? Based off previous trading prices of 538 at 180-day highs, we came from lows of 408. I've been trading this all last week. I made nearly $20,000 just off of Tesla last week alone. It was one of my best trading weeks. Again, this doesn't last forever. And when something aggressively pushes up for quite a while, it does come eventually with a pullback. And this is why I'm talking about this. I don't want to hype something up just because I'm partaking in it or because I see value in it. I need you guys to have a plan for your own sake. So is Tesla bullish right now? 100%. Can it still continue to uptrend? 100%. Tesla's like a hype stock. When it gets going and when all this news gets released, right, leading up to December 21st, it wouldn't be much of a surprise that it can continue to uptrend as long as it, carries this momentum. But don't be surprised if you see pullbacks, if you see a break of pattern where it begins to break below the middle VWAP and then it begins to make lower lows and lower highs. This is why it's so important to watch your position size. So a question that you guys might have is, Ricky, well, if you had 170 shares, 160 shares when the market opened, why do you have so little now? Why do you only have 60 shares? Well, because it's so overbought. I still want to have some skin in the game because it's still super bullish, but I don't want to have so much that if it pulls back or it sells off that I feel uncomfortable or I gave back all my profits. Do you get what I mean? This is why it's so important to understand the importance of position size. All together on the day with the different trades that I've taken, and I'll update you guys on this, I'm up about $3,500, $3,600 on the day. An amazing start to the week. Friendly reminder, due to Thanksgiving, the market is closed. So just make sure you take that into consideration. I'm super excited to follow up with Tesla. I need you to know why it went up, and it's due to that price target. Ask yourself the same question. When Morgan Stanley announced that price target from up to 540, right, as of last week, how long did that positive catalyst last? Because that's what it is. It's good news, and it lasts for a period of time. It's not going to last forever. So ask yourself the question, when is it too late to enter, or when is it time to lock in profits? If you're heavily invested in Tesla and you're investing long term, all power to you. I understand why you're holding. If you're someone that's just about to trade it, you just have to understand the position that you're putting yourself in. Do I think that it can continue to uptrend? 100%. You just need to make sure that your risk management is A1. If you suck at cutting losses, if you're a bag holder, then maybe Tesla at the current price point that it's at right now, you're going to really either not want to take a position or really watch your position size. I just want to be completely open about that. So we just broke $3,700 on the day, and Tesla's about to break on my position $4,000 on the day. So I'm super pumped about that. The last things that I want to talk about is this aggressive sell-off. We did a beautiful job with my position size and with my entries on SQQQ. When the market began to aggressively sell off, I added to my position on SQs. I didn't make a crazy amount. If anything, I made $142. My position size was actually very, very small. But then now, because it aggressively sold off, there's upside potential. So as of right now, I have a decent position on TQQQ. So if there's a breakout pattern and it breaks below 144 and it begins to make lower lows, then guess what? I'll manage my risk because it's no longer indicating signs of an uptrend. But if we continue to indicate signs of an uptrend, look at this upside that it has to offer based off of previous trading prices. So this is why I'm paying attention to it, because I see this to be an opportunity. If you don't see this to be an opportunity, then 100% all power to you. The beautiful thing about the stock market is you are the final decision maker on where you choose to put your money. I want to answer the question so many people are asking, why is Tesla going up? Is it going to continue to go up? Should I buy Tesla right now? And I hope that this video just gets you one step closer to your overall goal. And if it does, and you're excited for Tesla to hit $5.40 a share, make sure you smash that like button. Don't forget to stay connected. You guys can subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post new videos every single day. Turn on those post notifications so you get alerted when it is that I go live. And also, don't forget, if you guys want to watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow. This is the only group that I work with on a closer basis. And if you want to be able to watch me trade live every single day as soon as tomorrow, click the second link down below. Learn a little bit more about the Learn Plan Profit Group and see if being able to watch me trade live would be a good fit for you. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.